Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 oceans, and tarot messages for all the Aquarius and Moon Venus rising from today till the 25th of May. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course, 2 links are given below in the description box. So let's start. 19th, we have the aloneness. So Aquarius, you are going to choose to go on a particular path alone, not out of misery or frustration or anger or feeling like, oh my god, damn. No, this is the energy of you feeling like you have your own goal, you have your own path to follow, especially spiritually, and you have to walk alone on your path because nobody will be able to understand this path. So you're choosing to go alone on a particular path because you feel, you know that maybe people will not be able to understand your path right now. Good. 20th, we have the success. You are going to get some kind of success in certain area of your life. Do not let this success get over your head and make you feel arrogant or make you feel egoistic, like, okay, nobody can get this kind of success, or I am the only one who's getting this kind of success. Enjoy your success, give a party, do whatever you feel like you should do, but stay humble and grounded and stick to the reality that everything is temporary, including this success. That's the deal here, honey. 21st, we have the traveling. Now on the 21st, you might be planning to go ahead in a particular direction, but you might not be able to find the clear cut path or clear cut understanding of from where to start, and you will be able to get the path clear in front of you very soon, whether it's a literal traveling and or it's some kind of goal that you're working on. Do not get confused, do not get disheartened. You will definitely be able to find the path in front of you very soon. Start walking, take the first step, and the second step will appear, and then third and fourth, and so on. 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, we have the turning in. Okay, different people, different views. Okay, so many mouths, so many advices. Turn into your own self in order to get the answer that you might be seeking for from the outside world. You might be feeling like you should get help from somebody. Definitely you should do that. But if you feel like you are not getting what you really want from that somebody or from that advices, turn into your own self, because your inner self knows everything. You have every answer within yourself. All you have to do is to be truthful and honest with what you listen from inside. Sometimes it's uncomfortable, sometimes it's not what we want to hear, but turn into yourself and listen to yourself very honestly, and you're good to go, honey. 23rd, we have the rebel. Now, in order to get something in your life, you should definitely have this rebellious kind of energy. You should definitely practice the art of letting go of everything or everyone, break the chains, stand up for yourself, and be the rebel. Until unless you are going to take a stand for yourself, nobody else is going to do that for you, Aquarius. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. There is no God, there is nothing like that, or like a creature waiting for you or in the clouds or something. There's nothing like that. You have to stand up for yourself. The whole, there's existence. Okay, there's universe is definitely going to help you if you are going to help yourself and stand up for yourself. 24th, we have the comparison. Now this is the most foolish card. I mean, not foolish card, sorry. This is the most foolish thing that we do as a human, comparison. You might be having this tendency to compare your success with others and or feeling like, okay, I'm not doing that much good in life, and or maybe somebody else is trying to compare you with them and trying to give you this feeling of inferiority or something. Try to understand the point here that your journey and their journey is completely different. Even if you're twins from the same mother, you're going to have different journeys, different fates, and different energies. So comparison is foolishness. Keep on reminding yourself this, even if you are doing it or somebody else is doing it with you. 25th is a master. The master himself is here. So you are ready to have a master in your life, to have a guide, to have a mentor, to help you in some area of your life. It can be your work, job, career area. It can be your spiritual path. So when the student is ready, the master appears. So this is the right time for you to choose the master or the mentor or guru or somebody who can help you to start going in a particular direction, in a particular area of your life. You are ready to go. Okay, this is just a confirmation. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.